Welcome back to the channel. So I picked up this canoe last year. It's an Old Town Laker. It's an 18-footer. It's a really nice lake or pond canoe. The only trouble I have with it is there's a couple small cracks in it that really need some repair. It's a nice old fiberglass canoe. So I'm gonna get some fiberglass repair kit, go take a peek at it, clean it up, and see what we can do to make this thing top notch again. Now that it's clean, you can really see some spots. Here's a deep scratch there, kind of a rub right there, another rub right up in here, yeah, right there. This is some leftover stuff from whoever patched it before. We've got another deep rub, big crack right there. Here's some extra stuff all along through here. On this side, there's another rub and another crack. It's hard to put this on right now with how bright it is. I should have grabbed some shades or something before I started doing this, because it's so bright against that white. I'm going to try and get some of these harder rough spots with the electric sander. It didn't do as well as I thought it was going to, but it's a 50-year-old canoe. You can't really be too picky with it. So I'm going to try and throw on a quick layer of paint and see how it goes. This is how it came out after the first layer of paint. I don't think it's too bad. It's not covering as well as I thought it was going to, but again, 50-year-old canoe. I just rolled on this fiberglass cloth patch with some resin. It's still drying, but I think it's going to hold up pretty nicely on the inside. There are a couple bubbles. I just finished up the second layer of paint. Still need a couple more to make it look a little bit better. I did these felt keel guards. They went on pretty rough. I should have gone with the Kevlar, but it is what it is. They're just a little messy for my liking. Here's the final product. I did get to take it out guiding yesterday, so it's a little bit dinged up in some spots, but overall I think it came out pretty well.